action. Well, here's an 80's Craftsman with a 12 horsepower overhead valve Tecumseh. Jerry said I can go ahead and do a cold start on pretty much on any lawnmower. I already checked the oil. The oil's fine. It's got fresh gas in it. Let's try it now. I don't know if the battery's charged. Choke. Possibly not getting any spark. Hey Dave. Oh, this is one of the guys just hearing the lawnmower start. Well, you know, Tecumsehs are tough to start. Possibly a bad spark plug. Oh well. At least I tried. 1980s Craftsman Rider. Either 1986 to 1988, right around my guess, because bummer they don't have the gear code on Tecumsehs. If they do, I hope I get the word.